Dalgona coffee, whipped coffee, frothy coffee, cloud coffee, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm also going to show you the best tool to get that Instagram-worthy whipped coffee topping. The original recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Apparently whipped coffee has been around for a long time, but just not in North America, but I'm pretty excited that it has found its way here and into my home. I tried as many hand tools as I could to find the one that made the best, thickest whipped topping. I tried a milk frother, an immersion blender, a KitchenAid mixer, a hand whisk, and an electric hand mixer. And I would say there was one clear winner. The electric hand mixer made the thickest, creamiest whipped topping in the shortest amount of time. Wow. That took me, I don't know, less than a minute, I think, or maybe a minute. And it is like, oh my goodness, it's so good! Look at that, oh my word. Okay, this is where it's at. So the actual whipped topping by itself is okay, but once you mix it with the milk, it is delicious. Also, the amount of topping you get from using the recipe with 2 tablespoons, I would say is enough for 2 drinks. But either way, you should try it because it's delicious. One quick little tip and super important note before you go that will make everything better: always add chocolate. Cheers!